Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up date and time settings on Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to the settings, then enter device options. Right here we can find date and time. When you enter it, we can adjust all of the settings regarding date and time. First one is 24 hours clock or 12 hours clock. So when it's enabled, your clock should be set to 24 hours. When it's disabled, it will be set to 12 hours. Then there's a set automatically. That means it will set your your date and time based on the internet and connection, and adjust the date and time automatically. In this case, I'm gonna disable it. This should unlock a date and time that we can change manually. You can click on the date, then set the day, month, and the year right here. When you're ready, you can click on done and then the time, and here you can set hours as well as the minutes and AM, PM time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.